Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic computer networking. So let's get started. What is the primary transport layer protocol used by HTTP/3 to reduce latency and improve connection migration? The correct answer is option A, QUIC, Quick UDP Internet Connections. In Border Gateway Protocol, BGP, which path attribute is used to prevent routing loops by listing the autonomous systems a route has passed through? The correct answer is option B, AS_path. Which field in the IPv6 header is used to identify and distinguish packets of a specific flow between a source and a destination? The correct answer is option C, flow label. Which IEEE 802.11 standard introduced orthogonal frequency division multiple access (OFDMA) to improve efficiency in high-density environments? The correct answer is option D, 802.11ax, Wi-Fi 6. In software-defined networking, SDN, which interface is used for communication between the SDN controller and the application layer? The correct answer is option A, northbound interface. Which TCP congestion control algorithm, developed by Google, focuses on modeling the bottleneck bandwidth and round-trip propagation time, BDP? The correct answer is option B, VBR, bottleneck bandwidth and RR. What is the primary function of the neighbor solicitation message in ICMP-v6? The correct answer is option C, to determine the link layer address of a neighbor, replacing ARP. In a multi-protocol label switching MPLS network, what is the role of a label edge router, LER? The correct answer is option D, to push or pop labels as traffic enters or exits the MPLS domain. Which DNS record type is used to provide the cryptographic public key for a zone in DNSSEC? The correct answer is option A, DNSKY. Which mechanism is used in the data link layer to allow multiple VLANs to be carried over a single physical link between two switches? The correct answer is option B, 802.1q tagging. In IPsec, which protocol provides data integrity and authentication, but does not provide data confidentiality, encryption? The correct answer is option C, AH, authentication header. What is the standard administrative distance for an external BGP/eBGP route? The correct answer is option D, 20. Which field in the TCP header is utilized by the window scale option to allow window sizes larger than 65,535 bytes? The correct answer is option A, options. Which OSPF packet type is sent by a router to request more recent link state advertisements, LSAs, from a neighbor? The correct answer is option B, link state request, LSR. What is the purpose of the C congestion window reduced flag in the TCP header? The correct answer is option A, to indicate the sender has received an ECN echo and reduced its window. In the context of content delivery networks, CDNs, what does anycast routing achieve? The correct answer is option B, It maps a single IP to the geographically nearest server node. Which protocol is primarily used for managing and configuring network devices via a remote procedure call, RPC, using XML or JSON over SSH? The correct answer is option C, netconf. In the TLS 1.3 handshake, how many round trips, ART-T, are typically required before application data can be sent, assuming no prior connection? The correct answer is option D, 1 RTT. What is the main advantage of using jumbo frames in a storage area network, SAN? The correct answer is option A, reducing CPU overhead by processing fewer, larger packets. Which algorithm is used by the spanning tree protocol, STP, to determine the shortest path to the root bridge? The correct answer is option B, Bellman-Ford algorithm. In the context of network security, what is perfect forward secrecy, PFS? The correct answer is option B, a property where the compromise of long-term keys does not compromise past session keys. Which field in an Ethernet 2 frame is used by the receiver to synchronize its clock with the sender's clock? The correct answer is option C, preamble. What does the split horizon rule in distance vector routing protocols prevent? The correct answer is option A, routing loops by not sending a route back out the interface it was learned from. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for data translation, including encryption, compression, and character set conversion? The correct answer is option B, presentation layer. What is the bit length of the tag control information, TCI, field in an 802.1Q header? The correct answer is option C, 16 bits. In IPv6, which address type is used to communicate with multiple hosts, where the packet is delivered to the interface closest, according to the routing protocol? The correct answer is option D, anycast. Which protocol is used by a host to discover the maximum transmission unit, MTU, size of the path to a destination to avoid fragmentation? The correct answer is option A, PMTUD, path MTU discovery. Which component of an SDN architecture is responsible for translating high-level policies into low-level flow table entries? The correct answer is option B, the SDN controller. What is the size of the ICMP-v6 header, excluding the payload? The correct answer is option C, 8 bytes. In BGP, which state indicates that the BGP speaker is waiting for a TCP connection to be completed by the remote peer? The correct answer is option B, active. Thank you for watching.